Ready to put down some roots? This great West Side home has all you need for the long haul. Summer is the best time to upgrade your living space to include a huge yard. This neighborhood of mature trees and expansive lawns will delight your gardener's heart, whether floral or veggies are your choice. Enjoy the outdoors from either floor with this walkout ranch. Patio doors provide easy access for you, your friends, family, and Fido on both levels. Comfortably sized with 3 bedrooms and an office, this home is easy for everyone. You'll appreciate the bright natural light and airy views looking out over the rear yard from the living room picture window. A convenient full bath on each floor, as well as the main hall bath has been outfitted with a hand-tiled surround and jacuzzi tub. The attached 2-car garage provides an easy transition to the kitchen, offering year-round comfort and convenience. Fresh paint and flooring, brand new HVAC, microwave and dishwasher, and low-maintenance windows make moving in and settling down easy. The palette is neutral and inviting, easy for you to style at your own. See what summer has to offer you in a new home with a home warranty for that extra peace of mind. Check it out.